Bible abhors falsehood and liars. And the Bible declares that lie comes from the devil. All those who told a lie that this flyover will not be a reality. My word for you today is shame unto you. And may God forgive you your trespasses. For those who have made it a point of duty and duty for them to deceive our people and tell them lies, shame on them. When I told them and asked them rhetorically whether this flyover was about them, I want to say that Ubua, flyover, Abasazelono.
Yes, sir.
I do not want to bother my guest with very, very long comment. Because the governor of Rivers State, I deliberately chose him to come and commission this flyover today because he is the father and mother of all flyovers in Nigeria. And there is no better person that should come and commission this flyover apart from the man who knows the value of flyover and what it means to be the flyover.
Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Kindly remember to subscribe, hit the like button, especially click on the bell sign to enable you get notified each time we upload a new video. Remember that a nation without a vision suffers, and that truth remains the only thing that can set the human mind free. This is why this channel is so important to Nigerian story, African story, and world politics. Because you have to see something, say something, and do something. That is the only means of real change in the world, especially in Nigeria as we approach 2023 general election. Now, a lot of people will ask, why is this 2023 general election so different from all the elections we've had in Nigeria? This is because the present administration of General Muhammadu Buhari came to power on the premise of change. Change came actually, but it became a change from worse to worst. Naira has depreciated among the foreign currencies that today Naira exchanges for almost 700 Naira per dollar. The Nigerian universities have been shut down for close to 7 months now. There is no hope for the ordinary man. Banditry is at its highest level in Nigeria. Corruption, on which index the present administration came to power, has continued to thrive among the elites. That the former national chairman of the ruling party, All Progressive Congress of Nigeria, Adam Oshimole, said that once you come to APC, your sins are forgiven. But don't get me wrong, the two political parties, PDP, APC, they're all the same. It's the same people mingling from one party to the other. Lack of ideology has continued to characterize the Nigerian politics. That you see leaders who celebrate mediocrity. Welcome to my channel. Talk about mediocrity. If you are from Abia State, accept my apology and accept my sympathy. Since the inception of the present democratic norm in Nigeria, since 1999, Abia has known nothing but underdevelopment, inept leadership, people that celebrate nothing but mediocrity, corruption. The people has continued to wallow in poverty. Pensioners are not paid their entitlements. Civil servants are owed arrears of salaries. The present governor, junketing foreign trips with the governor of Rivers State, who himself is Mr. Project. Yesterday, OKEZIE celebrated the commissioning of a flyover after almost 8 years in government. And when you think about it, that may be the only flyover in Abia State. What a shame. In Ebonyi State, the governor of Ebonyi State, Engineer David Umahi, I think has about 10 flyovers within a span, it could be more, of 7 years plus. In Port Harcourt, the man on whose horse OKEZIE IKPEAZU of Abia State is riding has commissioned more than 20 flyovers, not to talk about other projects. He is calling him Mr. Projects. Yet in Abia State, we are celebrating mediocrity. People of Abia State, I am sorry that I know that even the man from the motor park can do better than all the leaders from Abia State put together who have been in that government house since the inception of this democratic rule in Nigeria today. I feel bad that we celebrate nothing but mediocrity. And this is why in all my videos I'm saying, stop blaming nobody, the Igbos. Stop blaming nobody but yourself. We vote them into power. We don't hold them accountable. We celebrate them just the way people gathered to celebrate OKEZIE IKPEAZU commissioning a flyover that he built after 7 years in power. The people have poor road network, nothing to celebrate. The Enyimba city that's supposed to be one of the commercial hubs in Nigeria has remained underdeveloped. What are we doing in Abia State? I apologize for the people of Abia. Abia is no longer God's own state, but Satan's own state. I beg your pardon. The leaders have made that place nothing but a disgrace. And here we move. As 2023 general election come, my brothers and sisters in Abia State, open your eyes, shine your eyes, and pick the right leaders. It's now or never. The choice is yours. Do you want to continue this dance of the dead? Or do you want to have a future that you can be proud of by voting wisely and letting these leaders who think that they can direct the citizens where to vote, that they are wrong? That this time the youth must speak, and they have spoken. It's time to take back our country. It's time to take back Abia State, and it's time to take back Nigeria. Preserve your PVC and do the right thing. Remember, this is Open Whispers. Then we move to APC and PDP once again. The inconsistency of our leaders, of our elites, who have taken the people for granted. Yesterday, the spokesman for the presidential candidate of People's Democratic Party, Daniel Buwala, drew our attention once again to Festus Keyam's suit against his master when he accused him of certificate forgery and that he was not qualified to rule Lagos State. He took him to court and the case ended in the Supreme Court. Today, the same man who took Tinubu to court is his chief defender, his spokesman, saying that he sued Lagos Assembly and not Tinubu. Nigerian politicians and semantics, they are always taking the people for granted. Tinubu, Lagos Assembly, what is the subject matter there? Tinubu's alleged certificate forgery. And now you are fooling the people with semantics. Festus Keyamo, once again, how are the mighty falling? Then again, the same Daniel Buwala, who was in APC yesterday defending the policies of this federal administration, has crossed over to PDP. And he is attacking the Labour Party presidential candidate, Peter Obi, telling him, or telling the people, trying to fool the people, that Mr. Peter Obi is being used as a front for the APC presidential candidate, Bola Tinubu. That all his votes, or his intention, is to divide the vote, take away the vote of the PDP from the southeast, so that Tinubu will have an easy ride. What a shame. Yesterday, it was another person attacking Peter Obi, saying that Peter Obi had an agreement with Atiku Abubakar. And my question is this: why can't we take our campaigns to the people based on issues? Why is everybody attacking Peter Obi? Is Peter Obi the Nigerian problem, Or is it the face of the people that you guys have impoverished for too long, that you are afraid that the people are about to take back their country? This time is different. 2023 is the year of the youths, the year of the masses, the year of the poor people that will speak, the poor people that will decide their future, the poor people that will decide that enough is enough when it comes to our children being at home, the poor people that will decide that Nigeria can no longer be answering a debt-ridden nation, while ironically being the giant of Africa. Time has come for the people to speak for themselves and not to be acting on this stomach infrastructure. The time is now. As Tinubu's supporters gathered in Delta, as Charlie Boy Oputa said, to do 1 million man march or 5 million man march for Tinubu, I watched the video and I smiled. You cannot buy love, like Charlie Boy said. Enough is enough of this bullion van politics. Enough is enough of this rice politics. You take 5 naira, you say your future. You take 10,000, you say your future. You are still in bondage forever and ever. Festus Keyamo, how are the mighty falling? Buwala Daniel, I want to know, which way do you belong? APC, PDP, you're still the same. The chameleon can try, but the rain can never change the color of the leopard. PDP, APC, all fed political parties with the same people dancing around naked in the market. Let me know what you think about these antics of attacking Peter Obi, of attacking the people and these politicians changing colors each day and thinking that the people are to be taken for granted. This is Open Whispers. Be well, do good work, and please keep in touch. Do not forget to see something, say something, and most importantly, do something. It's time for us to change things through our PVC. Until we meet again in our arena. Goodbye.